Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 53 in IQDungeon. To do this, first you need to take the hoe and then use it on the ground here. Then take the seed bag and place it on the ground as well. Then move the bag to the water and water the plant. Now swipe your finger on the clouds to make them disappear and sun will rise up like this. Now move the sun right above the plant. Now move the sun right above the river. And there should be created a rain cloud. Now move the rain cloud above the plant and it should grow. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.